Hi students. Today, June 11, I will not be in the classroom, so we will not have a Google Meets and you will complete your assignments on Google Slide. Okay, so for math, you will be working on making the 20 frame. So you're going to count what's missing and go ahead and write it. Recorded your answer on the yellow box. You have 2 of these slides. Next, you have 2 more slides of the arrays, so you're going to write the repeated addition for each one, okay? Next, you have figure out the missing part of the number. So 4 plus what gives you 10? Or 2 plus 8 gives you what? Okay, go ahead and fill in the ice cream, the yellow box in front of the missing ice cream. Then you have 2 more slides where you will work these in your journal. You will put the greatest number on top and the least number on the bottom. You will start adding your ones place and then your tens place and then your hundreds place. When you're done adding, go ahead and write your sum on the yellow box below. Then you're going to go ahead and go to Pathblazer for 30 minutes. When you come back, work on reading. These are the comprehension activities for reading. You're going to read story number 3. This past weekend, my family went camping for the first time since I was born. So you're going to go ahead and finish reading this. You're going to go ahead and drag the colored boxes to sequence the events from the story. What happened first, then, next, after that, and finally. So go ahead and drag them. As you can tell, you can drag them to the correct box that it goes to. You have to read that story carefully, okay? You have Sam's seeds. Circle these in the story. So go ahead and look for where it has seeds, plants, water, grow, flowers. What does Sam do after he plants his seeds? Fill in the blank. Sorry. There we go. Sam has a pack of blank. He plants his seeds in the blank. When you're done with those 2 passages, then you can go to reading Pathblazer. Then for writing, remember you're going to write as many details as you can. So drag and drop the pictures below to sequence them. So what happens first, what happens next, what happens last. You're going to make that into a story. So whatever happened to this character right here, you're going to tell me what happened to it using capital letters, periods. You can use first, next, then, after that, finally, last. You can use those transition words to start your sentences. Next, you can choose. So if last time you chose how to make a peanut butter sandwich, this time you can choose how to make quesadillas. Okay, so remember to follow the steps, write the materials that you need, and then put the steps that takes you to do that. You can read a book on Tumble Books. For science, you're going to write about the water cycle, okay? So you're going to read these sentences and you're going to put them in order from 1 through 9, okay? So you're going to write them again in order. And then for social studies, you're going to complete the activities for social studies. Ok, decisiones económicas. Si yo tuviera $10, ¿podría comprar? Quiero que me digas en 3 oraciones completas, que son 3 cosas que te gustarían comprar con $10 y por qué. Si tuviera $10, ¿podría ahorrar para? ¿Cuánto dinero tendrías que ahorrar para comprar algo que a ti te gustaría comprar? Por ejemplo, Miss Castillo quiere, vamos a decir, unos zapatos Nike. Quiero unos zapatos Nike, unos tenis. ¿Cuántos $10 tengo que ahorrar para comprar eso? O tal vez quiero ir al Dollar Tree. ¿Qué cosas puedo comprar con $10? Entonces escríbemelo aquí en la tablita amarilla. Tu sustituta tiene más actividades para que tú hagas. Por favor, cuando termines, ponle turn in y puedes empezar tus actividades que te dejé con la sustituta. Pórtate bien y nos vemos mañana.